Good evening, Richmond County, and welcome to your Thursday edition of Live at 5. I'm Russell Parker. The COVID-related death toll has now risen to double digits. The Richmond County Health Department announced the county's 10th death attributed to the coronavirus around 9:30 a.m. Thursday morning. According to Health and Human Services Director Dr. Tommy Gerald, the patient died earlier in the day at a local hospital. According to Gerald, the 10 individuals whose deaths have been attributed to COVID-19 are between the ages of 31 and 95. This is the second death reported this month, with the most recent before Thursday being reported on August 3rd was reported on July 21st. The North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services reported on Wednesday that there have been 2,606 deaths attributed to the coronavirus statewide. There have been 179,000 COVID-related deaths across the U.S. and 826,000 across the world, according to Johns Hopkins University. On Wednesday, the health department reported 13 new cases, bringing the county's total to 652. Of those, 530 have recovered. Hurricane Laura slammed into the coast of Louisiana near the town of Cameron early Thursday as a Category 4 hurricane, unleashing catastrophic storm surge and punishing winds. The monstrous storm, which packed maximum sustained winds of 150 miles per hour as it barreled ashore, is one of the strongest to ever strike Louisiana in recorded history, according to a report by AccuWeather. Laura's fury reached the Lake Charles area Wednesday night, knocking its radar out of service as winds gusted past 130 miles per hour and the hurricane's northern eye wall. This type of radar is built to withstand winds of 134. At least one fatality has been reported in Louisiana due to the hurricane. Laura's winds have already wreaked havoc on the power grid across the region. Around 25% of power customers in Louisiana were in the dark on Thursday morning after outages spiked past 525,000. Another 140,000 outages were reported in Texas, according to Power Outage US. Louisiana started to experience intense flooding on Wednesday morning near Louisiana State Route 1, among other areas, well before Laura made landfall. The coronavirus pandemic has brought new challenges to hurricane preparation this season. To adapt to the dual danger of COVID-19 and hurricanes, the CDC has recommended preparing a Go Kit with items that can help protect people from transmission of COVID, including hand sanitizer, disinfectant wipes, and 2 masks for each person, as social distancing may become more difficult. On August 26, Governor Roy Cooper proposed a $25 billion general fund budget to expand Medicaid, increase unemployment benefits, give teachers higher bonuses, and cut funding to opportunity scholarships. According to a report by the Carolina Journal, Republicans immediately blasted Cooper's spending plan, calling it a risky spend now, pay later proposal. His budget proposal comes 4 months late, they said. Cooper says his plan won't require new taxes, but the state would take out almost $5 billion in new debt, only $1 billion of which won't need taxpayer approval, says Joe Colliott, John Locke Foundation Senior Fellow. Among other things, Cooper's budget proposal would expand Medicaid, increase unemployment benefits to $500 a week, and double the maximum time to 24 weeks, and take out almost $1 billion in bonds for healthcare infrastructure. The plan would also place a $4.3 billion bond on the November 2021 ballot to borrow $2 billion for school construction, $800 million for water and sewer infrastructure, $500 million for UNC system facilities, and $500 million for the community college system, as well as $500 million for affordable housing. Cooper says his budget invests in North Carolina to help people get back on their feet. Republicans say his budget is unrealistic and unbalanced. When we return, we've got your Live at 5 weather report. It's coming up after the break, so stay tuned.
Locally owned and operated, One Stop Vape Shop is a place you'll want to check out. Whether you need vape supplies, signs, business cards, decals, or your chakras aligned, we have you covered. Our in-house print shop has quick turnaround time and is open 7 days a week. We offer a wide range of products including stones, herbs, pendants, CBD, kratom, and more. Visit us at 939 East Broad Avenue in Rockingham.
At Richmond County Hospice, we strive to provide high-quality care to our patients and their families. Whether it's the incredible hospitality at the Haven House or from the comfort of your own home, you can count on hospice to be there for you. We also offer monthly grief support groups, and our chaplain will be there to hold your hand in prayer. Through our amazing staff and our volunteers, hospice has made difficult times easier for our community. Call the number on your screen if you feel that you or your loved one may benefit from our services. Richmond County Hospice. Peace, comfort, dignity.
JC's in Rockingham has you covered for used appliances, parts, trailers, and storage. We have one of the largest selections of reconditioned washers, dryers, and refrigerators in the Sand Hills, and we offer free delivery to residents inside Richmond County. Come check out our variety of trailers for any hauling job and our storage buildings for the things you need out of the weather or house. We also carry parts and accessories for appliances, trailers, truck beds, and can order the things you need. That's JC's on South Hancock Street in Rockingham.
McNair Auto Sales is the place to buy your pre-owned car, truck, or van. To be the best, it takes big selection, friendly staff, and great pricing. We guarantee a no-hassle buying experience, and financing is available right on site. So come see us today. We're located at 1026 East Broad Avenue in Rockingham. And remember, with over 40 years of experience, you know McNair is the name you can trust.
Are you spending your money paying tuition and fees to a large university just to have your college student take the general education courses online? Come to Richmond Community College, where your student will have local instructors, free tutoring, and access to services. Our transfer classes are acceptable at every university in North Carolina. We offer a clean, safe atmosphere specializing in individual student attention and small classes at a fraction of the cost.
She gets her soccer skills from her mom, her sense of humor from her dad, and her drugs from her home medicine cabinet. Over half of misused medication comes from family and friends. Talk to your children about the dangers of prescription drug misuse. Secure your medication, take regular inventory to ensure nothing is missing, and properly dispose of expired or unused medication. Be aware. Don't share. Lock your meds.
Your Live at 5 weather report is brought to you by Sunset Slush of Richmond County, located here in downtown Rockingham. Happy Thursday, everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. So far, it's been a really nice day. So far, actually, all week has been really nice. Can't complain about it at all. For the past several days, we've seen really nice weather. We're still continuing to see some of that come out very, very soon. Before we get to that, though, talking about tonight, where we're seeing 85 degrees for 7 o'clock. 9 o'clock, 81 degrees, so still keeping the mid to low 80s throughout the evening. It will drop down to the 70s as the later we get into the evening, but certainly we're going to still see some warmer temperatures ahead. Sunset will be at 7:51 p.m. and there will be a first quarter moon phase out tonight. And I don't know if you saw it last night, but that moon was very beautiful with that orange tint going on with it. Taking a look at tomorrow, we are seeing 90-degree weather continuing on as we're seeing today as well as yesterday. We'll still see it again tomorrow across the entire Sand Hills region. Starting in Fayetteville, high of 92, low of 79. Rayford, high of 91, low of 76. Down in Lumberton, high of 91, low of 79. And Laurinburg will be seeing a high of 91 and a low of 79 as well. Over in Southern Pines, it'll be a high of 90 and a low of 78. Ellerby, high of 91, low of 77. Rockingham and Helmet, high of 91, low of 78. Down in Bennettsville, high of 91, low of 75, high of 78. And across the PD in Waysboro, high of 91, low of 77. So we got relatively warm temperatures again tomorrow. Well, we do have some rain expected on the way for Saturday. Some remnants from Hurricane Laura, presumably still projected to go around us as far as the cone has been concerned. Unfortunately for Louisiana and Texas, definitely taking the brunt of the storm right now as we speak. Hopefully everything goes well for them down there. But that as the storm continues to push through the southeastern United States, we should be expecting a little bit of the rain potentially coming off of it on Saturday, and that's going to be about a 50% chance, high of 86, low of 74 for Saturday. On Sunday, high of 87, low of 69, partly cloudy skies. On Monday, high of 84, low of 71, with partly cloudy skies continuing on. And then on Tuesday, we do have a couple of 30% chances chained up together for those last 3 days. High of 86, low of 71 on Tuesday. On Wednesday, high of 87, low of 72. And then on Thursday, high of 88, low of 73. And again, 30% chances across those 3 days as well, with partly cloudy skies predicted for those days. But again, pretty much the only day we have to worry about for rain will be Saturday. And again, some remnants from Laura as it passes through the southeast. Now it's going to do it for a Live at 5 weather report and for tonight's edition of Live at 5. Of course, for the latest news, sports, and events happening in Richmond County, you can always visit richmondobserver.com, or you can download a free RO app for your mobile devices. For the Live at 5 crew, I'm Russell Parker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night, Richmond County.